Hi, it's me Varun. Today on this video, I will tell about Adobe After Effects and how to download it. You can download the software from link given in description. Before downloading the software, you should know about its. Let's start. Adobe After Effects CC 2020 Overview. Adobe After Effects CC 2020 is a popular and widely used video editing application. Many different commercials, movies, clips, and much is designed by the application. It allows users to merge, split, overlap, crop their videos with other videos and create a unique and rich visual content. It is simple and easy to use application and offers users to create beautiful clips and video content on a single platform. You can also download Adobe Prelude CC 2020. Adobe After Effects CC 2020 included visuals effects and motion graphics for offering more flexible editing platform for users. Users can add rain, fire, smoke, fog, and much more in their video content and give it a more amazing and stunning look. With this application, users can transform their ideas into a real piece of motion art. Users can create and animate logos, characters, text, backgrounds, and more to achieve the desired results. Users can create anything with the application, create visuals for film, TV, video, or for the web. You can also download DaVinci Resolve Studio 2019 v16. Features of Adobe After Effects CC 2020. Below are some noticeable features which you'll experience after Adobe After Effects CC 2020 free download. Create and animate videos. Includes effects and motion graphics. Animate logo, backgrounds, text, characters, and more. Visuals for film, TV, video, and for the web. Turn ideas into real-world visuals. Amazing and stunning content. Simple, fast, and improved user interface. You can download the software from link given in description. After Effects CC 2020 Technical Setup Details. Software full name, Adobe After Effects CC 2020 Setup File name, Adobe After Effects 2020 v17.1.0.72 x64 multilingual.zip. Full setup size, 2.1 GB. Setup type, offline installer / full standalone. Setup compatibility. Architecture, 64-bit, x64, latest version. Release added on, 2/3 May 2020. Developers, Adobe. System requirements for Adobe After Effects CC 2020. Before you start Adobe After Effects CC 2020 free download, make sure your PC meets minimum system requirements. Operating system, Microsoft Windows 10, 64-bit, versions 1703, Creators Update, and later. Memory, RAM 16 GB of RAM required. Hard disk space, 5 GB of free space required. Processor, Intel registered trademark Core Trademark 2 Duo or AMD Phenom registered trademark 2 processor, 64-bit support. Display, 1280 x 900. OpenGL 2.0, capable system. QuickTime 7.6.6 software required for QuickTime features. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe the channel for more updates.